What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best monopod in 2022. There's a lot of choice for monopod. The best monopods give you extra support. When using big telephoto lenses for extended periods, they can cut camera shake at slow shutter speeds in low light, and they are great for adding a little extra stability for video. A tripod can be bulky and awkward to set up, while a monopod, though requiring a hand to steady, it is much quicker and easier to deploy. If you're rapidly changing positions, or in an awkward space on uneven ground, it can be a lifesaver. A monopod is just what it sounds like, a single leg, to a tripod's 3. With telescopic sections to fold up, when not in use, a monopod can be dangled from a bag or even a wrist when not in use, and then deployed at a moment's notice. It won't provide the kind of stability required for super long exposures, but is great for giving yourself a little wiggle room, with shutter speeds at a moment's notice. Different monopods also offer different features. Some have more leg sections than others, some have stabilizing feet. There are also recent introductions into the field, with some really interesting features, like the rotating foot on the Benro MSD46C Super Duper carbon fiber monopod opens in new tab, or the crowdfunded Moza Slipod Pro opens in new tab, which can double up as a video slider. SmartReviewsLab.com. Search SmartReviewsLab.com before choose your product. Now let's get started. Number 1. ThreeLegged Thing Punks Trent 2.0. ThreeLegged Thing has been refreshing its monopods lately, with the Punks 2.0 range, and the Trent 2.0 is an upgrade to its tallest monopod. This poleaxe of a monopod can extend to more than 2 meters. More than anyone's really going to need? Maybe, but it's cool nonetheless. Able to support up to 30 kilograms of kit, the ThreeLegged Thing Punks Trent 2.0 also features redesigned leg locks that are easy to operate even in the cold, when you're wearing gloves. It still measures a pretty chunky 60 centimeters when it's packed down, an unavoidable trade-off for all that height, but if you don't mind carting around something a little bigger than most monopods, this is a good choice for big setups. It can also be bought as part of a video kit, with a Dox 2-foot stabilizer to provide even more support. Specification and features. Brand: ThreeLegged Thing. Color: gray. Compatible devices: camera. Material: magnesium alloy, rubber. Item weight: 728 grams. Number of leg sections: 4. Reasons to buy: extends to more than 2 meters, impressively strong. Redesigned leg locks: reasons to avoid. No head included, which can be limiting. Still 60 centimeters when packed. Number 2. Benro MSD46C Super Duper Monopod. You may have thought that we'd pretty much reached a Fukuyama-style end of history with regard to the design of the monopod, but the Benro Super Duper Pro MSD46C proves there's still innovation to be found. It's a clever monopod design with a few interesting tweaks. First, a clever rotating foot that makes it easier than ever to produce smooth panning movements. Second, a leveling head that offers 20-degree movement in all directions, useful if you can't quite get the monopod itself on level ground. What's more, the leg locks are all twist style. Except for the top one, which is a flip catch. This makes it very easy to use the top section for quick height adjustments. All this is probably more tech than most monopod users need, and if you just want something cheap that works, there are more affordable options. If, however, you see yourself using your monopod very frequently for photography, video, or both, the Benro Super Duper Pro MSD46C will suit you down to the ground. Specification and features. Material: carbon fiber. Sections: 6. Max load: 32 kilograms. Extended length: 158 centimeters. Packed length: 48.5 centimeters. Weight: 0.9 kilograms. Reasons to buy: blend of twist/flip locks. 6 sections for flexibility. Reasons to avoid: expensive for a monopod. Hard to find. Number 3. Vanguard VAO2SCM 264TR. So, it's a monopod with 3 feet? Yes, we know it sounds silly, but in truth the design of the Vanguard VAO2SCM 264TR is pretty clever, giving the monopod much more lowdown stability, and making it easier to get sharp shots, at slow shutter speeds. It's a beautifully engineered product all around, with smooth twist lock action that makes it easy to secure, and there's even a smartphone connector. The only real disadvantage is that the tripartite foot, at the bottom makes the whole thing bigger, and more bulky. If portability is a real issue for you, e.g., you plan to take the monopod on some long, and punishing photo hikes, then it might be worth picking one of the options on our list. With a smaller footprint, the Manfrotto Element Me at number 2, for instance, is significantly lighter. Otherwise, the Vanguard VAO2SCM 264TR is the monopod we're happy to recommend, as our number 1 choice. Specification and features. Material, aluminum. Sections, 4. Max load, 6 kilograms, extended length, 163 centimeters, packed length, 55 centimeters, weight, 0.89 kilograms. Reasons to buy. Ultra stable extra feet. Ergonomic twist locks. Reasons to avoid. Relatively heavy. Longer packed length. Number 4. Manfrotto Compact Advanced Monopod. With a maximum payload capacity of 3 kilograms, the Manfrotto Compact Photo Monopod Advanced isn't going to be holding anything heavier than an entry-level mirrorless or DSLR setup, with a lens no longer than 200mm or so. However, if your setup meets these restrictions, you'll find this to be an ideal monopod for all sorts of applications. It packs down really well and is amazingly light, meaning it's perfect for travel. It's also pleasingly quick to deploy, with a quick wheel just under the tripod screw, that allows you to rapidly attach your camera, with one hand, which works perfectly for a monopod designed to exclusively take setups light enough to be used one-handed. Specification and features. Material, aluminum. Sections, 5. Max load, 3 kilograms, extended length, 155.6 centimeters, packed length, 41.5 cm. Weight, 0.35 kilograms. Reasons to buy. Small and light. Useful quick attach wheel. Reasons to avoid. Less payload strength. No QR plate. Number 5. Moses Slipod Pro Motorized Monopod. Moses' original Slipod was an innovative 2-in-1 slider-cum monopod, a clever motorized device that could automatically extend at different speeds via a dedicated app. Here we have its big brother, the Slipod Pro, which is more powerful in sports, a set of detachable tripod feet, meaning it can be now used vertically as a tripod, or tri-foot monopod, as well as a horizontal, or angled slider as a boom fitted to a regular tripod. In its collapsed state it measures 650mm, without the tripod attachment, but thanks to the motor, it can be automatically extended a further 530mm, to a total length of 1460mm. The clever bit is that you can regulate the extension speed, between 0.5 mm per second and 40 mm per second, depending on the look you're after. The Slipod Pro is of limited use for stills, but comes into its own as a slider, or jib arm for shooting video, making the high price much more justifiable. Specification and features. Material, carbon fiber. Sections, 2. Max load, up to 6 kilograms, extended length, 146 centimeters, packed length, 65 centimeters, weight, 1.79 kilograms. Reasons to buy. Clever, versatile design. Great level of control. Easy to use. Good finish. Reasons to avoid. Motor noise. Somewhat heavy and cumbersome. Pricey. You wanted the best. You got it. Thanks for watching. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time. See you guys later.